Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this video we'll be discussing uh, qualifications. Now we are talking about how to configure qualification by the ICT admin. Login account is ICT admin, as you can see here. Now clicking on this symbol, we'll have the access to the dashboard which you can use to do that. Now on this part, we'll have create qualification or do qualifications. Let's create qualification by clicking on create qualifications. Here we will have to actually give a name of the qualification we're talking about. We can call this one BEd, that's Bachelor in Education. The long form should become the full meaning of what we wrote there, which will become Bachelor of Education. Now save that. After saving that, it will now show us what we actually created, whether it conforms with what we intended to create. Now we have a BEd, that is BEd successfully saved. Half name is BEd, the long form is Bachelor of Education. You can view all of them by clicking on this button. Now this one is the BEd, the most recent one created. The PhD is, and the BA and the NCE are the ones that were previously created. This one, you can click on it to view the detail of this one. Then this one has that the name is NCE, the long form National Certificate of Education. You can click here to actually edit it. Related with the input form which you can use to edit it. If you desire such, you can click back here and you present back with all the qualifications that are on the platform. Now we can actually deactivate any one and activate it back if the case may be. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more scholars.